Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today I've got an unboxing of something I've wanted for a really long time. I was at Leeds yesterday and finally decided to get it, so let's just get on with it. Now I have already opened this and I have been using it today, but I've just repackaged it up just so you can see what it looks like, because who doesn't love the Vuitton packaging. So it came in this little bag. Inside is just a receipt and the cutest little box here. I've just repackaged that up for you, so if I just take it off, and it comes in this like little drawer type box inside with the tiniest little dust bag. Probably guess what it is by now from the sound of it. So I have got the 6-ring key holder in the Monogram canvas. I decided to go with the brass button. I've seen people with the leather buttons on there with the like coloured interior, but I've also seen that can rub away quite a bit, so I decided to go with the safe option and get the brass. So this is what it looks like inside. I've just got 3 keys in there at the moment, so my car key and my house keys. And also on the day, the woman offered me the hot stamping, so I've got the KR on the top there, which was great because a lot of places, you know, say it takes 5 working days, but she actually offered it to me there and then, and I just had to pick it up half an hour later, which was really good. So happy with this. It's something I've just been dying to have in my collection, so yeah, it's just, I love it. It just keeps everything sort of compact in one place. It looks really stylish, and also the sales associate pointed out to me you can actually double it up as a little purse. So if I was just running to the shop, just needed my card, there is a little kind of slot there that you can put, you know, your debit card, anything in there, and you can just grab this and go. So I absolutely love it. I'm so glad it's in my collection. Just to give you a little more of a close-up. I was worried that my car key could maybe stick out, but it's actually the perfect size, like you can't see it at all. And that is it. So yes, I would recommend anyone to get this, even though I have only had it a day, but I can tell it's just going to be something that I'm going to love and I'm, you know, never going to want to be without. So really happy about this. The Monogram 6-ring key holder. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions about it, just leave them down below and I'll try to answer where I can. So thanks a lot, bye!